breaking update we are getting this morning, where the central government has told the Supreme Court that as far as it needs time to decide on the criteria to hold examinations, Supreme Court has asked the central government to respond to the same in the next 2 weeks. It is regarding the class 12 examination, the board examinations for now, that has been announced by the CBSE and the CISCE to cancel. For now, there are many state governments and boards that are yet to decide on the same. The central government has told the Supreme Court that it would need more time to decide the criteria for the examination, as a lengthy meeting that was chaired by the Prime Minister himself, where he had said that multiple options were given during this meeting as to whether or not the examination should be held for class 12 students, but overall health and safety of the students was taken as top priority, and therefore the decision was arrived at cancelling the examinations for now. Now the Supreme Court has asked the central government to prepare a report in 2 weeks and to respond on the same. The Supreme Court for now has adjourned the hearing on the plea against the class 12 board examinations, that the decision on the objective criteria to hold the examinations will be taken in about 2 weeks' time, and the centre has been asked to respond on the same. Going across to Ananya live at this point. Ananya, the decision regarding class 12 examinations, of course, the centre has said for now it has been cancelled, but someday or the other the examinations need to be held, and that is the response that the Supreme Court has now sought from the centre.
Well, yes, clearly, Centre has told Supreme Court that examinations have been cancelled. If I remind you, a meeting took place between the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister chaired the meeting in which the decision was taken. Following which the hearing of today's petition, AG KK Venugopal informed the court that the examination has been cancelled and objective criteria would be decided within 2 weeks, to which the Supreme Court has asked them to file a report regarding what decisions have been taken regarding the objective criteria, what would be the future course of action will exam taking place in the future, or what would be the objective criteria to how students would be admitted, because class 12 exam are crucial for any student, because it is the deciding term for all of them, because the colleges are decided based upon this, and hence these areas have to be worked. This strategy of how marking would take place, this has to be worked upon, and the same would be given by
Well, we are already looking at many of those state boards who have also now decided to cancel class 12 examinations. Many of them are still yet to decide on the same, but the response that has now to be submitted in 2 weeks' time by the centre to the Supreme Court on the objective criteria to hold examinations for class 12 students. For the moment, Ananya, thanks very much for joining.